Hey everyone, Lowe's here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look at different products to pick to sell for your Amazon FBA business, right? So for this example, I picked, I want to say like 3 products. So we're going to go through all these products. We're going to run data and we're going to decide if we're going to buy the product or not, right? So yeah, the first thing that I usually do is I compared the 2 products, right? So for this one, this is the Amazon listing right here. And then here, this is the supplier, right? So with supplier, I mean retailer. So the supplier website here is Nike.com, a very common brand, right? That people use. So this one is an Air Jordan 1 mid shoe. And then this one is an Air Jordan 1 mid shoe. So for shoes, I usually look for the size. So this one is a size 9 right here. So here we click on size 9 men. There. So this one is priced at $93.97. And I think there's a 40% off. Yeah, there's a 40% off for this product. So I would plug in this number here, 93.97. 93.97 under cost. And then there's a 40% off discount. So I would click on, and there's no 40% here. So I would just click on 30%, and then I'm going to add 10% on top of the ROI, right? Because these Jordans are 40% off currently, right? So let's see. Yeah, and then from here, I would run the numbers. So I usually look at sales per month, ROI, profit. For this one, it's a variation. So this one's going to be a more advanced topic. So for variations, I usually scroll down here in Seller Amp. I go to variations here. I pick the variation, which is this one right here. So black, royal blue, black, white, size 9. I click on check. And then this exact variation is getting 100% of the sales, which means this exact variation is getting 34 sales a month. And then once I get this number here, I usually look at the competition. And then I have to decide, right? So am I going to be able to share 34 sales a month with all these sellers? So honestly, this number here is kind of a lot, right? Because I'm only getting 32 sales or 34 sales a month, and I'm gonna have to buy, or I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to share with these other sellers right here. The good thing though is that it gives me a big ROI, but the problem is it's not gonna sell as quickly as I wanted to, right? Because at 34 sales a month, you're gonna be sharing with all these other sellers who have this much inventory right here, right? It's just too many sellers in this listing. So honestly, I think I would skip this one. Um, for those of you who are patient, right? I mean, some people would probably buy this because of the higher ROI. It's up to them, but to me, there's just too many other sellers to share 34 sales a month. So this one is going to be a skip for me. So from here, we move on to the next product. So this is not even the same. Second. Yeah, this one is not the same. Oh, okay. This is a mistake. Okay. Yeah, this one is a mistake. Sorry, guys. So this one and this one. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So these are. So this is the product, right, on Amazon, and this one is the supplier link. And by supplier, I mean Chewy.com. So again, I compare the 2 products. So this one's kind of complicated. So Vito Kino Care. Wow. Vitokino, triglyceride, omega-3 fatty acids, small breed dogs. Okay, so this one seems like the same product with different packaging. So 60 count. Let's see, 60 count, cats and small dogs. So it's for cat and small dogs. Yeah, this one is a little tricky, honestly. Let's see. So are they the same? Oh, it says packaging may vary, so they might be the same products with different packaging. So we're gonna run the numbers. So this one is $12.99, right? $12.99, and then the selling price on Amazon is, I believe, $33 or $34. So for this one, it gives us a 72% ROI, $9 profit, and this product is selling at 38 times a month. So again, we look at this number, right? 38 sales a month, and then oh wow, okay. So this is pretty strange. There's only one seller here. So for this example, I would look at the Kiba chart. So it's just kind of suspicious to me because there's only one seller. So I would zoom out, right, like a year. I mean, it seems okay, I guess. I'm not sure. So yeah, this product has only one seller. Not sure why. Let's see. Yeah, this one has really good data. This thing kind of just catches me out because there's only one seller here. So what I would usually do is I would just play it safe. So if I'm suspicious with any product, I usually do a test buy of, I do a test buy of 5 to 10 products. I'm sorry, like 5 to 10 pieces per product. But if I'm really suspicious, I would usually go for maybe like 3 to 5 pieces of products as a test buy. So for this one, what I would do is I'll probably buy. Let's see. I'll probably buy 5 as a test buy, and then from here I would order the product from this website, order 5 as a test buy, ship it out to my prep center, and again they pack and prep the product for me and ship it to Amazon. And yeah. So again, just to conclude this video, I think you guys got the memo, right, with product research. So I go through products, I compare them, I look at data, and then I do decide. And then once I decide, I usually do a test buy of 5 to 10 products, ship it to my prep center, and then to Amazon. So I hope you guys got value from the video. And if you guys like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way other people can also see my video. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.